Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing international snack box number 12. Jesus God. Snacks. This is from Japan. Coffee flavor. Wow, it went everywhere. It smells like coffee. When we actually have coffee, that's going to be bad for us. It's coffee flavored. Stop, that's enough. Wow. It's just a fruit. It smells like coffee. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's pretty good. Never mind. It tastes like poopy coffee. It tastes like real coffee, actually. I don't like it. I don't like coffee. Coffee is better and this is sweet. I give a 1,000 out of a million for and a killy out of 10. I give it an armpit out of 10. 0 out of 10. No one likes armpits and no one likes this. Okay. Pop it, what's the cookie? Oh, I don't see your monster. Again. Yes. I knew it was another package. I love Yuki. It smells like Banco. 1. Looks like a cookie. It tastes like my favorite cacao, but there's too much of it. I give it a 8 out of 10. I give it a 0 out of 10. I don't know. It's chocolate. This one is sweet gummy. Oh wait, hold on. Gummy is German. Why did I even choose this one? I hate watermelon. Oh yes. Smells like watermelon. It smells so well. 3. It smells like cheese gum. 2, 1. It tastes like watermelon. Oh, it tastes like watermelon. I give it a 10. I give it a 1. Hold up. This is Fushigi lemon gum. This is Fushigi. It's gum. This is gum. Gum Fushigi. There's 3 different flavors. Which one do you want? I'm gonna take. I hate gum. Hopefully this is not gum. I'm gonna take blue because blue is my favorite color. It smells like bubble gum. Mine smells like blueberry. 2, 1. This is gum. I like chewing, so it's good. Tastes like blueberry. Mine tastes like grapes. I like chewing. I give it a 6 out of 10. I give it a 1 out of 10. Alright, everybody knows what I'm gonna choose because Hello Kitty is really secret language. Tastes like apple. Mine also tastes like apple for some reason. I give it a 7 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10 because most of 9. This is Dragon, Tato, Gusho, Aji. I drink those days every time. Yeah. Looks like a. It looks like a DNA. It looks like a spiral mac and cheese. Oh, hold up! This looks like a tornado. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Ooh! Got hiccups now. This tastes like a DNA trick. I give it a 9 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. These are Hyundai, Jacoby, Adi. One to be like cheese. Wow, Jacoby. It smells like coffee again. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Goal!
I did it. Oh, it tastes exactly like coffee. It tastes like coffee. I give it a 0 out of 10. A little 10 out of 10. Ew! What's so disgusting? These are Pakuncho Ichigo. Pakuncho Ichigo! Emotional damage! It smells like cookies. And I got Jasmine. My mom says I look like Jasmine. My mom. 3, 2, 1. Cheers! Cheers! I give it a 10 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10. Oriole's gonna get turned. Yeah, that's pizza. This is Crisp Choco Latte. Ah, yes. I hope for so much. My shoe smells like chocolate. It tastes like cocoa. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Tastes like chocolate. I give it a 9 out of 10. Since it was my birthday, I give it a 10 out of 10. My favorite was these. That's exactly the same to me. Thanks for watching our video. If you like these videos, smash the subscribe button harder than this.
Hit it.
If you want to watch more of our videos, click here, right here, because there's videos. Yeah, or